Hi Gerard. What I'm going to try and show you today is a way to, and if you haven't already figured it out, to export your favorites from your old laptop to your new MacBook. And just a quick comment, all browsers read HTML files. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to basically take your favorites folder over in your old laptop, and we're going to export it and make it an HTML file. So for sake of expediency, my MacBook here, I'm going to do, of course, everything on it using Parallels for Windows. And so as I'm pulling up Windows, envision yourself using Windows on your older machine. Anyways, we pull up Windows here, and you see I have Internet Explorer open, which I pretty much never use. So I don't have any favorites in here. And but for sake of this particular screencast, just kind of follow along and you'll get the idea. So I go up here to the left where it says File, and I want to import export, and I want to export to a file. Click on that, and then click Next, and I want to move favorites. So here you're probably going to have your thumb drive in your old computer as you're doing this, because that's where you're going to export this HTML file to, so you can transfer it over to your MacBook. Then click Next. I want all of them. In this case, I don't really have any, so I'm just going to transfer these folders just for sake of this, again, for sake of this demonstration. So then I go to Next, and you can browse wherever you want to save it to. You'll probably go into My Computer and find your thumb drive here, and click on your thumb drive and save it, and you can name it if you want, or you can just leave the default file name, which it's being named Bookmark. For me, I'm just going to save it to the desktop, so I'm going to click Save, and then click Export. And as you see, it's named Bookmark right here. It's being saved to my desktop. Again, in your case, it'll probably say whatever the name of your thumb drive is, so on and so forth. Click Export. You have successfully exported these settings. Finish. Okay, so now that it's saved to your thumb drive, you're going to take your thumb drive out. And I'll just show you here the bookmarks.html files there. And now I'm going to open Safari, which is a browser I really don't use, so I probably shouldn't have much of anything loaded in it. And I want to import those favorites and get those done. So I go to Import Bookmarks, and the first thing that actually comes up in my case is the desktop, but you're going to look for your thumb drive. So you're going to put your thumb drive, plug your thumb drive in, and your MacBook will pick it up in one of your devices, and you'll click on your thumb drive, and you're going to you'll see this, it'll be highlighted, your bookmark that you just saved. Then you're going to click Import, and now it's going to show up as imported. Now you can rename this, of course, whatever you want. GB favorites, and call it a day. And so your bookmarks are now linked. They're in Safari. They show up in Safari as your favorites. And pretty much should do it. Of course, if you have any other questions, and I hope this helps a little bit, give me a ring. But take care. Have fun.